Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Temu tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on your Temu account. It's very much simple and easy. People find it complicated because you need to do some 1, 2, 3 things before you can get that. So now on my interface I just moved to my account, which is you, and let me put this thing down here and let me tap on the setting button here. So you can see here, when you tap on the currency like this, you'll not be able to change it. You can't change it because my country is set to the US, so I can't change it because I think in the US they use only US dollars, so I can't change my account or I can't change my currency to something different. So what I need to do here is I need to change my account. So I tap on my account here, you get it, and any country I want to change the currency to. So let's say I want to use Naira. So Naira is being used in Nigeria, so I switch my country to Nigeria, something like that. It's going to restart. I have a video on how you can change your country origin on Temu. Once you restart, you are going to see that your currency is going to change from US dollars to Naira, something like that. So if you switch it to Spain, you're going to get euros there. If you switch it to the UK, you're going to get pounds. So that's it on how you can switch your currency or you can change your currency on your Temu account. That's it. Once again, if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.